The next division of decimal numbers. Then exercise 2.6. It's the first question. Here exercise 2.7. Then 0 decimal 4 divided by 2. Then 0 decimal 4 divided by 2 is this first number is a decimal number and second is a whole number. Means a decimal number divided by a whole number. Then this first decimal number we convert into fraction form. Means 0 decimal 4 we can write to 4 by 10. Here decimal after how many digits are? 1 digit. So by 10. Then next this divisor which number 2. Then this number multiply by multiplicative inverse of divisor. Here 2 is a multiplicative inverse 1 by 2. Then we can directly factor this number. Then how many times? 2 times. Then 1 time. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 by 10. Then the same also then 2 by 10. What is its decimal form? Look here its decimal form 4 by fraction form 4 by 10. So its decimal form 0 decimal 2. Is clear? Then next 0 decimal. Second question look 0 decimal 3 5. 0 decimal 3 5 divided by 5. Then first this decimal number, this first number, this we divide means convert into which form? Fraction form. It's a fraction form. Look, decimal after how many digits? 2 digits. 1 2 means we can write 35. So 1 after how many 0 will come? Here 2 digits. The decimal after 2 digits. So 2 0 will come. Is it clear? Then multiply by multiplicative inverse of which number? 5. Here divisor 5 and then multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. This 5 and this 5 cut means 35 divided by 5. How many times 5 in 35? 7 times. 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7 by 100. What is its decimal form? How many digits are? 1, 2 digits. Means here only 1 digits, so we put 1 0 also. 2 digits before. Here 100 has how many 0? 2 0. So 2 digits before decimal. Here already 1 digit, so we put 1 0 also. So 2 digits before decimal. 0. Then is it clear how to solve? Then one more questions we can do here. Question number 5. Look 5. The next question number 5. What is the question here? 651. 51 decimal 2 divided by 4. Then look first this number we convert into fraction form. Look here 6512. By which number? By decimal after how many digits? Look how decimal after 1 digits. So 1 after 1 0. Is it clear? 1 after 1 0. Then multiply by multiplicative inverse of 4. Then we can divide. Then 4 is completely divided by this number. Look. In 6 how many times? 1 time. Remainder 2. 2 5 25. In 25 how many times? 4. 6 4s are 24. Then remaining number remainder 1. 1 and 1 10 11. Then here answer 1628 by 10. Then what is its decimal form? Here divided by which number? 10. So 160. How many digits before? Here 1 after 1 0. Then divided by here 10. So how many 0? 1 0. Then from the right side, look, 1 digits before decimal. Is it clear? The next question number here. Look, second question. First one. 4 decimal 8 divided by 10. Let's say also we can write 40. It's a fraction form. What is the fraction form of 4 decimal? 4 decimal 8 we can write 48 by how many decimal after how many digits? 1 digits. So 1 after 1 0. Then multiply by multiplicative inverse of which number? 10. So 1 by 10. That is equal to look 48. Look 48 into 1 48. Then 10 into 10 100. Then look here 48 divided by 100. Then here look I have to write its decimal form. So decimal form. Look 2 digits from the right side. 2 digits before we put decimal. Then 0 decimal for 8. Then next look second question. 52 decimal 5 divided by 10 is equal to look first we write its which form? A fraction form. So 525 by which number? By 10. Then multiply by multiplicative inverse of this number 1 by 10. So answer 525 by 10 into 10 100. So how many digits before? How many digits before decimal? 525. Here 2 0. So 2 digits before 1 2 from the right side 2 digits before decimal. Is it clear? Then next question number 3. 2.2 decimal 7 divided by 100 is equal to same as this number. Look, first we write its fraction form, means 27 by 10 multiply by multiplicative inverse of 1 by 100. Then is equal to look 27 into 1 27 by 10 into 100 1000. Now you look how many zeros here? 3 zeros. So here already only 2 digits. So 3 digits before decimal. Look 3 digits before. Here only 2 number. So we put left side we put 1 0 also. That decimal. So 0. What is its answer? 0 decimal 0 to 7. Then next Second question. 0 decimal 3 divided by 100. Here 0 decimal 3 divided by 100. Then it's a fraction form 3 by 10. Multiply by multiplicative inverse of 100 means 1 by 100. So look, 3 by 10 into 100, 1000. Look, how many digits before a decimal? How many digits? 1, 2, 3 digits before. Here only 1 digit. So look, 3. We put left side, how many 0 we put? 2, 0. Then now we look, we get 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then after decimal. Then its answer is 0 decimal 0, 0, 3. Then when we divided by 10, then the decimal, look, here question 4.8. Here answer look 0.48. Then when we divided by 10, then 10 has how many 0? 1 0. So this decimal point shifted to which side? Left side, means 1 digits to left side, 1 digits. So answer 48. Then here look, we divided by 100. 100 has how many 0? 2 0. So this decimal point shifted how many digits to left? 2 digits to left. So look here answer, here 1 digits, then 2 digits. Is it clear? Then next divided by 100. Divided by 100. Question number 4. 7.9 divided by 100, not 1000. Look here, it's a fraction form 79 by 10. Multiply multiplicative inverse of 1000 means 1 by 1000 is equal to which number? 79 into 1, 79. Then 10 into 1000, 10,000. Then now you look, how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So look, how many digits before we put decimal? Means 4 digits before we put decimal. Here already only 2 digits. So we put, we write 2 0 on the left side of this number. Then 79. Then left side we put 2 0. Then decimal. Its answer is look 0 0 0 decimal 0 0 7 9. Is it clear? Then look here, this 7.9 we divided by 1000. So how many digits this decimal point move? Means shift to left. How many digits? Look here. Here 3 0. So 3 digits left. Means 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 1, 2, 3 digits. So answer you look, this decimal. After look, your answer look, this decimal point is shifted to here 1, 2, 3. So answer is decimal 0, 0, 7, 9. Then one more questions look. First question, second look. 26 decimal 3 divided by 1000. Then first same as we can write it, it's a fraction form. 263 by which number? 10. Then multiply by multiplicative inverse of 1000 is equal to 263 by 10 into 1000, 10,000. Then how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 0. So 1, 2, 3 digits. So we put 1 0. We write 1 0 also to the left of this number. Means 0 decimal 0, 2, 6, 3. Means then when we a decimal number divided by 1000, then decimal point shifted to which side? Left side. How many digits? 1, 2, 3 digits to left of. Is it clear? Then next question number 5. Look, 5. Question number 5. 7 divided by 3.5. 3 decimal 5 means 7 is a whole number, 3.5 is a decimal number. Then so we can write, listen here, 7 divided by 3.5. What is its decimal, fraction form? This fraction form is 35 by 10. Is it clear? Then whole number divided by decimal number. Then here this whole number divided by decimal numbers, which form we write here? Fraction form. Then after look, 7 multiply the multiplicative inverse of this fraction form. Then 10 by which number? 35. Then is equal to 7 into 10, 70 by 35. How many times? 2 times. What is his answer? 2. Is it clear? Then next another question, look, second question. 36 divided by 0 decimal 2 is equal to, we can write 36 divided by, write its fraction form, 2 by 10. Then is equal to, look, 36 multiply multiplicative inverse of this number. Is clear? Then look, we can write 36 into 10, 360 divided by 2. We can direct, or we can look how many times 2 in 36, 80 times. So 80 into 10, 180. Its answer 180. The next fifth question. Look at question number. It's the 8th question. 37 decimal 8 divide 1 decimal 4. This is a decimal number divided by decimal number. So I write its two numbers fraction form. 33 378 divided by which number? Decimal after 1 digit says, so 1 after 1 0. Then divided by 40 by 1 digit says, so 1 after 1 0. Then 378 by 10. Multiply multiplicative inverse. 10 by 40. Then how many times? Look. 378 divided by 14. How many times? Look. 2. Then how many times we get? 27. This 10 and 10 cut. So here answer is 27. Then first this decimal numbers we convert into its fraction form. Then in division, then divisors, multiplicative inverse. This number dividend multiply by multiplicative inverse of divisor. Is it clear? Then here answer 27. Then this exercise 2.7 also completed, or balance question number 6 a verse problem. Then you find, read the question carefully and write, solve yourself. Then all this exercise means exercise 2.7 also you should write your fair copy. Then thank you.